Laura Fioy is a senior conservator at the National Museum of Anthropology in Mexico City. She studies the rubber balls created by ancient Mexicans.
Mesoamerican people have been using rubber balls since 1600 BC, so from the early formative period until today. We know that a lot of rubber balls were sent to Mexico City during the Aztec time. More than 1,600 balls were sent to Mexico twice a year, but we only have 50 archaeological balls.
Ancient rubber balls are extremely rare because natural rubber is very sensitive to environmental conditions. It decays quickly if exposed to light or left in soil.
In the Mayan area, the only ones that we have recovered is the balls that were thrown to the cenote. So they are offering balls and they are very small.
Rubber balls are still being made in Mexico today, created from an ancient recipe used for several centuries, a mixture of sap from the rubber tree and other native plants. And they're made for the same centuries-old purpose too, playing games.
This is an ulama ball that comes from Sinaloa. The mestizos from Sinaloa play a special kind of ball game. It's a solid rubber ball. It's heavy. It's more than 4 kilos weight.
When Spanish explorers first saw these rubber balls in action, they were amazed. These bouncing balls were unlike anything they'd ever seen.
Because in Europe they used balls made of leather and cloth or tissue that didn't bounce a lot. And they thought they were alive. They have life of their own.